If you're experiencing billing issues on WhatsApp, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process and find a solution. Step 1. Identify the problem. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Check payment method. Review the payment method linked to your WhatsApp account. Ensure that the payment information is up to date and that there are no issues with your bank or payment provider that could be causing the problem. Step 3. Access WhatsApp support. Open the WhatsApp app and navigate to the settings. Look for the Help or Support section. Here, you can find resources and FAQs that may address your billing issue directly. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the problem persists, reach out to WhatsApp customer support. You can do this through the app or their official website. Provide detailed information about your billing issue to help them assist you more effectively. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or WhatsApp messages for a response. If you do not hear back within a reasonable time, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on WhatsApp. If issues continue, consider seeking further assistance from your payment provider.